Did you just receive your property tax valuation and thought it was way too high? Welcome to my comprehensive guide on property taxes and property tax protests in Austin, Texas. I'm Ryan Gomillion, and I am a real estate agent here in Austin with over 8 years of experience. Property taxes are a crucial aspect of homeownership in Texas and can greatly affect your monthly payment. In this video, we'll cover everything about understanding, protesting, and potentially lowering your property taxes. Before we dive in, I want to clarify that I'm a real estate agent and not a tax attorney or tax consultant. This video is meant to give you just a base understanding of your property taxes and is not legal advice. But after watching this, you feel like I would be a great fit for your home buying or home selling plans, then you can reach out to me with the information in the pinned comment below. Property taxes are essential for funding local government services and infrastructure, and they're calculated based on the appraised value of your property. These taxes contribute to the funding of schools, police and fire departments, roads, parks, and other public services. How much you pay in property taxes is based on a percentage and is usually neighborhood specific. Your taxes can vary depending on the school district your home is zoned to, and if you're located in an area with additional taxes like municipal utility districts or property improvement districts. Depending on how you've structured your mortgage payments, these taxes are either paid along with your principal and interest or paid at the end of each year. Understanding how property taxes are assessed and calculated is fundamental to managing your finances as a homeowner. Property taxes are assessed based on the appraised value of your property, which is determined by local appraisal districts every 1 to 3 years. Assessors consider factors such as property size, location, age, condition, and market trends when determining its value. They use a variety of methods, including comparable sales data, income approaches, and cost approaches, to arrive at an appraisal value. Once the value is determined, the tax rate is applied to calculate your property tax bill. To work you through this math, let's say your home is appraised for $500,000 and your tax rate is 2%. You would multiply your appraised value by your rate to get your yearly tax bill, which you can divide by 12 to get your monthly tax bill. Using this example, your yearly tax bill would be $10,000 or $833.33 per month. It's important to know how assessors evaluate your property's worth so you can identify potential inaccuracies and grounds for protest. Property tax exemptions are deductions that reduce the taxable value of your property, which reduces your overall property tax bill. Texas offers various exemptions to homeowners, such as the homestead exemption, which provides significant tax savings to those who make their property their primary residence. Other common exemptions include those for disabled veterans, senior citizens, and charitable organizations. To qualify for exemptions, homeowners must meet certain criteria and file the necessary paperwork with their local appraisal district. These exemptions can save you a substantial amount of money, and I encourage you to look into each exemption to see if you qualify. Understanding the available exemptions and their eligibility requirements is essential for maximizing tax savings and reducing financial burdens on homeowners. Texas does not have a state income tax, and so local governments heavily rely on property taxes to fund services like schools, roads, and public safety. Additionally, since your tax rate is based on your home's value, rising property values contribute to higher tax bills. Texas's and Austin's growing population and booming real estate market also impact property tax rates and assessments. While property taxes may seem high, they are necessary for maintaining the quality of life and infrastructure in Texas communities. Throughout the year, homeowners receive appraisal notices, protest deadlines, and tax payment deadlines. It's crucial to understand these dates to effectively manage your property taxes. Appraisal notices typically arrive in the spring, allowing homeowners to review their property's assessed value and determine if a protest is necessary. Protest deadlines vary by county, but generally fall within a specific window after receiving your appraisal notice. For Travis County, for instance, the protest deadline is May 15th or 30 days after the appraised value was delivered to you. The deadlines and important dates for your county can be found with a quick search on your county's appraisal district's website. Familiarizing yourself with these dates ensures you have ample time to prepare and submit a protest if needed. Protesting your property taxes can be done through informal or formal methods. Be sure to gather evidence and documentation to support your case, such as recent property appraisals, comparable sales data, and evidence of property damage or depreciation. In Travis County, you can submit your protest online, in person, or by mail. After processing, you'll have the opportunity to have an informal meeting with a Travis County Appraisal District appraiser where a settlement is usually discussed. If you do not accept the settlement offer, then you'll have the opportunity to be heard by the Travis Appraisal Review Board in a formal hearing. While you can protest your property taxes yourself, there are many professional tax consultant services that you can hire to protest your property taxes on your behalf. Protesting your property taxes can lead to significant savings and ensures that your property is assessed fairly. It's essential to advocate for fair valuations and exercise your right to protest. By challenging inaccuracies or discrepancies in your property assessment, you can potentially lower your tax burden and prevent overpayment. Protesting your taxes also helps hold local taxing authorities accountable for accurate and equitable assessments, benefiting both individual homeowners and the community as a whole. Real estate agents like myself bring valuable expertise and negotiation skills to the table, helping homeowners navigate the property tax protest process and maximize their savings. A knowledgeable real estate agent can take a look at your property's proposed value and help you gather supporting evidence for your protest hearing. They can also leverage their network and relationships to connect you with an attorney or tax consultant if needed. Working with an agent ensures that you have a dedicated advocate on your side, guiding you through the protest process and helping you achieve the best possible results. With the right knowledge and assistance, you can effectively protest your property taxes and potentially lower your tax burden. Take action and advocate for yourself to ensure fair treatment and financial savings. Remember, understanding the property tax system and exercising your right to protest are essential steps in managing your homeownership expenses and protecting your investment. Thanks for joining me on this dive into property taxes and the protest process. Make sure to like and subscribe for more valuable content just like this, and my contact info is down below if you want to chat further. I'll see you in the next video.